OpenAI turned ChatGPT pets from a novelty into a launch worth watching on Friday, July 24, 2026. A custom pet can now carry a shareable link on ChatGPT web. The important limit comes first. Public proof does not show the exact share click or the recipient adoption flow. The strongest evidence is OpenAI's own follow-up screenshot. That screenshot shows a custom pet menu with download, edit, copy link, stop sharing, and delete. So the sharing control exists in product, even if the full handoff sequence is still not public. Everything else in this film has to stay inside that line: official post for the launch, official screenshot for the visible share state, and third-party moving footage only for already existing pet behavior. On the web, pets live inside personalization. The walkthrough shows the real path: open settings, reach pet, and enter the selector. Sharing is landing on top of a live settings surface, not a throwaway promo page. Inside that selector, built-in companions sit beside two custom lanes: upload pet and create a pet with ChatGPT. That matters because OpenAI is already treating pets as user-owned companions, not just mascots. The upload modal is also specific. It asks for a pet name, an optional description, and a sprite sheet file. This is a structured animated asset, not a casual sticker. The docs tighten the rule set further: transparent PNG or WebP only, exactly 1536 by 1872 pixels, and no larger than 20 megabytes. Web pets appear in supported work chats, but they do not bring the desktop floating overlay, activity tray, or /command behavior. The custom lane points to the bigger strategy. In the walkthrough, create a pet with ChatGPT opens a guided flow instead of a blank file picker. Once that flow starts, the work interface takes over. ChatGPT asks what the pet should look like, offers options, and builds the companion through back-and-forth prompts. That is real movement for creation context, not proof of sharing. This is why the docs describe pets around activity rather than raw performance. A pet changes the expression of work, not the underlying model capability. The state model is explicit. Running means the chat is still working. Needs input means it wants approval or an answer. Ready means it finished with unread activity. Blocked means the task failed or hit a system error. That makes the sharing update more interesting than it sounds. If a pet already reflects your work rhythm inside ChatGPT, then a shareable custom pet starts to look like portable agent identity. But the surface map is still fragmented. OpenAI says sharing is on the web and the same menu exposes download. That matters because desktop custom pets are stored locally and do not automatically sync back to ChatGPT web. Desktop still keeps the richest behavior: a floating overlay, an activity tray, and a computer-use picture-in-picture handoff on macOS. The CLI can show pet states in iTerm 2.3.6 or later, or in terminals with Kitty graphics or Sixel support. Tmux and Zelage are excluded, and the IDE extension has no pet picker or floating overlay. So the truthful verdict is narrow but real. OpenAI launched web pet sharing, proved the menu state, and left the full handoff flow unshown. The deeper signal is that pets are becoming creatable, portable companions for long-running agent work.